Hello, Algebra 2 students. So in this lesson, we are going to continue to focus on dividing polynomials, but we're going to talk about another method, which is called synthetic division. Now, synthetic division works only if you're dividing by a linear factor. So if you're dividing by like x squared or x cubed, anything like that, it does not work. Okay, so what you're going to do, and this is the way it works here, so what is, if I'm looking at this x minus 3 concept, so what is the 0 here? What makes this 0? Hopefully you're going to say 3. So we're going to put a 3 in a box here. Next, we're going to put all of our coefficients. Now, if it skips over 1, remember you have to put a 0 in its spot. So we've got the 5 for the x cubed, the negative 6 for the x squared, the 4 for the x, and the negative 1. Okay, so what you're going to do is bring down the first one, which is a 5. So you're going to take 3 times 5, which is 15, and then you're going to add them. Negative 6 plus 15 is 9. And then next, 3 times 9 is 27. 4 plus 27 is 31. And then finally, 3 times 31 is, let's see here, 93. And then when you add them, you get 92. So this 92 is the remainder. And if we start out with a cubic, the next degree lower would be the squared. So this is going to be like 5x squared plus 9x plus 31. So I'm going to rewrite it over here. So 5x squared plus 9x plus 31 plus my remainder, which is 92 over x minus 3. So this is a way to tell if it is a factor or not, because if you get a remainder of 0, that means that the divisor here would be a factor. So if I look at the next one, so again, what value would make this 0? Or what is your x-intercept? What is your 0? Things like that. It would be 3. And again, I'm going to put my coefficients. So I've got 1 x to the 4th, negative 2x cubed. Notice I don't have an x squared, so I'm going to put a 0 for x squared, and then I have a 1x, and then a negative 9. So again, we're going to bring down the first one, which is a 1. 1 times 3 is 3, and then when I add them, again, I get 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10, and 3 times 10 is 30, and negative 9 plus 3 is 21. So again, this is again my remainder. So if I start out with an x to the 4th, I'm going to go a degree lower. So it's going to be cubed, squared, the x, and then the constant, and then whatever my remainder is. So I'm going to have x cubed plus x squared plus 3x plus 10 plus my remainder, which is 21, over the divisor, which is x minus 3. This is a lot quicker, in my opinion, than remember when we did long division. It should be quicker for you. Okay, and the next one here. So again, what makes this 0? It should be a negative 4. And then I'm going to put my coefficients. So I have 1x cubed. I have 0x squared, negative 13x, and then my 12. So again, the first step I'm going to do is bring down the 1. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. And 0 plus negative 4 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. When I add them, I get 3. And then negative 4 plus 3 is negative 12. When I add them, I get 0. So 0 is my remainder. So I'm going to have, again, 1 degree lower. So x squared minus 4x plus 3. And then I don't have a remainder. So again, x plus 4 would be a factor of x cubed minus 13x plus 12. And then make sure you remember to watch the last video to finish up the notes.